guys, it's boy Anomaly from Sweden, and in today's video I am joined by Streetman and Sams, and I am going to be selling my lovely knife in order to get a new one from a case. So basically I'm selling a knife to open another knife, and it's kind of a challenge. I'd like to thank today's sponsor, which is SkinsMonkey. They're one of the best and easy to use trading sites for CSGO, and it's perfect for switching up your inventory to play with new skins, especially now for CS2. And by clicking the link in the description or using code Anomaly, you get a deposit bonus of up to 35%, which is insane. And if you're making your first trade, you can also put code Anomaly and you get up to $5 for free. Plus, they've got many nice extras like freebies for free skins and free balance and 24/7 support. So if you want to try them out, then please do so from the link in the description. And thank you once again, SkinsMonkey, for sponsoring this video. So the knife that I'm selling is the Stiletto knife Vanilla. This one's listed for around €575, which should be just under 200 cases. Do you think I'm gonna get the knife?
Yes.
Sell on community market. Gentlemen, this is always the regret. €477 I'll be getting after the Steam fees. So gentlemen, here's the Hail Mary. Look at the Steam balance now when I click create listing. Hey, there we go. €561. I had 80 to begin with because I am cheating. The case we are opening is the Fracture case, which is decently cheap and also has a pretty nice knife in it. Skeleton knife, Fade, Blue Gem, Slaughter, Crimson Web, a lot of nice ones. So getting one of those would be a nice upgrade.
What is the odds of getting a blue gem?
0. 150 cases? Huh? 6?
I'm gonna fart.
Was that real?
Yeah.
That sounded like a sound effect.
Yeah.
First case, we all together click, gentlemen. Here, 3, 2, 1.
1.
Boom! There we go. Okay, the challenge
Imagine it's the first case.
Yeah, the challenge has officially commenced.
Nick.
Oh!
But that's good though.
Check the tape. Yeah, that's what they should have done with O.J. Simpson. Next one.
We already saw the print stream.
Oh! Is it viable to sell your knife to open cases? This is actually a question many people ask me. They come to my stream chat room, they ask me in YouTube comments, "Oh, Anomaly, should I open cases to get a knife? Should I sell my knife to get better?" Probably you should not, unless
Let's find out.
Yeah, let's find out
In this
actually.
case,
There's a knife right now.
Yeah. Kit bash.
There's a little bit yellow, so it's technically a yellow.
Yes. Okay, Sams, you open a few now.
stop.
Nice. Tech9 brother. Look.
Furious?
You just because it's a man of questionable descent.
No, because of the beard of the masculinity
And the one
in his
eyebrow.
Streetman, you want to open some?
Case number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9.
6,
I
9.
like sex.
Yes!
I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. You do like this, you spin it, and you page up, page down.
Nice knife, dude.
Piss. So we have around 150 cases, right? These are the first 20. Okay, mainframe. Yeah, why do I know? I know every single skin, bro. Next one, I'll tell you. I promise I'll tell you. I bet you 10,000. Oh! That's a legal print stream!
Oh, wait, that's good wear. I think it's 0.06.
Oi!
I am the skin master.
Fuck you!
Let's see. It is worth... What? 118! If I stop now, I would be in profit. Guys, sell your skins, open cases. Boom, baby, double.
Double fisted us.
Yeah, nice. Last one of the 20. Let's see, baby. That's a good, very good first 20. Cheers, Gabe. Huh? Cassette.
The cassette, can I have that one?
Yeah, shut up. Okay, I'm buying another 20. Boom. Oh, cassette.
Bro, can I have that one?
Oh, no!
The pattern says like you got a red, blue, purple.
This is like, you know, girls with autism, and they're like, and it's like boys with autism. Blue, purple, pink and gold, purple, pink and gold. High functioning autistic male. Look at this. I can inspect it. Boom! Glitched case. PP Bison Runic. What skin are we getting? Listen, I don't know. Hey, cassette, we got both, baby. Look, it's like we're having a gunfight.
Hey. We got nothing. Okay. Not today.
Oh, vice gloves in real life.
Yeah. Bro, we've gotten 3 frights in a row. What the fuck?
Yo, I feel it. It's gold. I feel it. Let me open it with the vice glove.
Oh. Kill yourself.
40 cases in. We are still in profit.
I think it's pretty good. Good opening so far.
Another 40. Another 20. 60. The numbers, Mason, what do they mean? Connection. They're bringing in the big guns! Bigger weapons! Bigger weapons! Nemo bullets! Bigger weapons! Bigger weapons! Have you thought about it, by the way? Look at the fracture case. It looks like a butthole. Hey! That's so bad.
new.
That's so
No, that's
bad.
not
No. This is a pool skin. I'm guessing €2. 3.5. Okay. I was close.
You hit the. Mr.
Mr. Beast. My stiletto, no! Please give me my stiletto back, man! What the fuck is this? I've never seen a knife this battle scarred! What the fuck?
You traded your stiletto for this.
I got scammed! I traded my stiletto vanilla €600 knife for a survival safari!
Show us the float.
Ah! 0.75!
It is profit.
How much balance I have? 333? Wait! And we have all of the cases. We're in profit.
Yeah.
Survival knife, safari, battle scarred, of course. 114! That's less than the deagle!
You made money, right? So everyone buy cases and.
Gentlemen, challenge completed. I actually prepared. I was like, I'm gonna have to open sit here all night, like 500 cases probably.
How many cases are we in?
60.
That's good. One red, one yellow, 60 cases.
And not any, the good red and FM.
The best red, yeah. Back to back. You have to do back to
Chase
back.
it. Back to back.
You have to do
Back
back
to
to
back.
back.
Yeah, I have 2 more cases, so I can open
I
those.
have 2 more. I'm dying. Let's go. Come on, back to back.
Oh, satan. The whole point of the video is, should you sell your knife to open cases? It's the challenge, selling your knife to open another one.
This could have been a skeleton blue gem. Unfortunately, it's a survival knife safari mesh battle scarred.
Chris Hansen as description. A predator is a predator, no matter the environment. Minecraft YouTubers be like. Welcome to Predator SMP.
Okay. Look at the center.
Oh yeah, what the
fuck?
Bro, what? Wait, look at it. This is him. Hello, I sell case on Steam Market. My name is Russian.
How does he have 500,000 transactions?
Oh my god, what the fuck? We found the Monopoly man.
What is he doing?
Inventory history. Look at this, look at this. Unlock the container. Survival, safari mesh.
I'm so proud of you, bro. That safari mesh, dude. That could have been a blue gem, dude.
Back to back.
I actually feel like it's gonna happen.
The odds of getting knives back to back, 1 in 160,000.
Yay! Okay, come on. Back to back. Back to back. I believe. Come on, please.
Oh my god, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good.
This challenge is now completed. This was just a little too easy for us. Even though we unboxed arguably the shittest knife in the known universe, we still completed the challenge and profited. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. Completed challenge. Too easy, bro. I sleep. No. Now I'm going to go actually sleep because it's in the middle of the night.
I go home.
Who's been a bad boy?